How to fix WhatsApp temporarily unavailable issue on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can do that. But firstly, all you have to do is you have to go and tap on your settings. Once you tap on your settings, scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called General. As you tap on General, scroll down and tap on the option called iPhone Storage. Once you tap on iPhone Storage, scroll down on your screen and tap on your app called WhatsApp. Now all you have to do is tap on Offload app. Once you tap on Offload app, it will now take some time to process, and tap on Reinstall app. Once you do it, it will automatically fix all of the issues that is on your WhatsApp. Now what I tell you is go back on your screen or settings and scroll down again and tap on Shutdown. Once you tap on Shutdown, it will automatically shut down and it will refresh all of your apps on your iPhone. Now what you can do is you can scroll up and simply remove all of your background running apps so that it will help your phone to function properly. In this way, you can easily fix temporarily WhatsApp not working issue on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.